Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Okay, so today in basic technology, we are going to be learning about technical drawing. Okay, our topic for today in basic technology is on technical drawing. Okay, so are we ready to go into today's lesson? Today's lesson is on technical drawing. Meaning of technical drawing. Technical drawing is a precise way of creating detailed and accurate representations of objects or designs on paper. It's a fundamental skill used in various fields such as engineering, architecture, and manufacturing. Okay? So technical drawing is like a special kind of art that engineers, architects, and designers use to make precise and detailed pictures of things they want to build or create. It's like drawing with a purpose, where every line and measurement matters to, to help turn an idea into a real object. Okay? Now we know the meaning of technical drawing, right? It's like a special kind of art that engineers, architects, and designers use to make a precise picture of things they want to build or create, where every line and measurement matters to help turn an idea into a real object. Okay? The drawing board and care. A drawing board is a flat surface where you place your paper for drawing. Imagine the drawing board as your special workspace for creating technical drawings. Take care to ensure it is clean and stable. Use clips to secure your paper in place and clean the board and tools after use to maintain their quality. So you clean the surface. You make sure your drawing board is clean and flat. It's like having a clean desk to work on. Okay? Secure your paper. You use clips or tape to keep your paper in place on the board. This is so your drawing doesn't move around while you're working. When drawing, you keep your hands steady. It's a bit like when you're writing neatly in your notebook, okay? If you make mistake, use an eraser gently. After you finish, you clean the board and put your tools away. It's just like tidying up your room after playing. So taking good care of your drawing board and tools help you make better technical drawings, okay? Do we get that? Good. So we are going to be looking at drawing tools. You will think of the drawing tools as your special tools for creating precise drawings. Okay? Just like a builder uses special tools to make things, you have your drawing tools. So your drawing tools are your special tools to create designs. Okay? So we have the pencils. Pencils, you will use different pencils with different hardness. The H pencil makes light lines, and the B pencils make dark lines. It's a bit like using a magic wand to control how dark your lines are. Okay? Then you have the erasers. The erasers help you fix mistakes. They are like a superhero's power to undo things. So the erasers help you fix mistakes. Then you have the ruler. A ruler is like your guide. It helps you draw straight lines. It's like a road for your pencil. Okay? It helps us draw straight lines. Then you have the compass. This tool is used for making perfect circles or arcs. It's like a circle making machine. Okay? Then we have the protractor. A protractor measures angles. It's like a special tool to find out how things are tilted. Okay? 6, we have set squares. These are like magic corners to make sure your angles are perfect. They help you draw straight lines and right angles. So your drawing tools are pencils, erasers, rulers, compass, protractor, and set squares. Okay? So these tools are like your drawing buddies. They make your drawings precise and neat. Okay? Just like a superhero team working together to save the day. So these are your super tools. They make your work neat. Okay? Good. So we are going to be looking at the uses of technical drawing. Technical drawings help convey ideas and designs accurately. They are essential for architects, engineers, and manufacturers to create plans for buildings, machines, and products. So technical drawing is like a superpower that helps people in different jobs, like the architects creates drawings to design house and buildings. It's like planning a dream home on paper. Okay? And the engineers use technical drawings to design machines and structures, like bridges and cars. It's like the blueprints for building amazing things. Factories use technical drawings to make products like phones, toys, and more. So these are the uses of technical drawings. Okay? There are more. Fashion designers use technical drawings to design clothes. It's like drawing stylish outfits before making them. And also artists, they use technical drawing to plan their artworks. It's like sketching ideas before creating a masterpiece. Okay? So now we are going to be looking at the processes of technical drawing. Okay? The processes of technical drawing. Technical drawing has a step-by-step adventure to create something amazing. It's like following a treasure map to find a hidden treasure. Okay? 1, we have sketch. Begin with a rough sketch to plan your drawing. You start by making a rough sketch of what you want to draw. Okay? It's just like drawing the basic outline of your treasure map. So you start with a rough sketch. Okay? Orthography projection. Show the object from different views. This means you're showing your object from different views. From the front, top, sides, just like drawing a picture from different angles, okay? Use proper scales. Ensure accurate dimensions by using the right scales. You use special rulers to make sure your measurements are just right. It's just like making sure your treasure map is the right size, okay? Line types. Use different line types for clarity, okay? So you use different line types for different things. Solid lines for edges, dashed lines for hidden parts. It's just like having different symbols on your map, okay? Then labeling. Add labels, dimensions, and notes to describe the drawing. So you add labels and dimensions to explain your drawing, okay? It's just like writing hints and clues on your treasure map. So you add labels and dimensions to explain your drawing. Cross section. Use sections to show the inner details of objects. Sometimes you need to show what's inside an object. So it's like drawing a cord through the treasure to reveal its secrets. Okay? So you use sections to show inner details of your objects. Then isometric drawing. Create 3D-like views to give a sense of depth. So you create 3D-like views to show depth and make your drawing look more real. Okay? So you create 3D-like views to show depth and make your drawing look real. It's just like a 3D treasure map. Okay? So these are the processes of technical drawing. Okay? So we mentioned the processes as sketching, orthographic projection, use of proper scales, line types, labeling, cross-section, isometric drawing, right? So now we know the processes of technical drawing, right? So today we talked about technical drawing. Did we? Yes, we did. Now we know the meaning of technical drawing, right? What did we say technical drawing is? Technical drawing is like a special kind of art, right? That engineers, architects, and designers use to make precise and detailed pictures of things that they want to build or create. We did say that, right? And we also talked about the drawing board and care. We said the drawing board is what you use in working, what you use in creating your technical drawing, right? It's a clean flat surface. So you take care of the drawing board also. You make sure it's clean. When you are drawing, you use a clip to clip your paper, right? So that it doesn't move around. You draw with a steady hand. You erase carefully if you made mistake. Then when you finish drawing, you clean up. We said all that, right? Then we talked about drawing tools. We mentioned the drawing tools, pencils, erasers, rulers, compass, protractors, set squares, right? Then we talked about the uses of technical drawing. We did, right? Good. And we also talked about the processes of technical drawing. So we understood today's lesson on technical drawing, right? Good. Okay, so now let's look at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do it because we learned about them, right? Good.